few seconds, few minutes. Wow, they are incredible. I love her dress. Wow. Morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today is another day in Mardin and we want to visit many more places, but one problem, most of the places are very far and we don't have a car. Today we will try to go by autostop. Hello, marhaba. Yeah, they are going to give us lift. Guys, finally we are in a very cool car. In like 5 minutes we got a lift because of these amazing guys. What's your name? I'm sorry?
Murad.
Murad. And she is your wife? You're so lucky. Yeah.
A few moments later.
So these guys will leave us on the road.
Close for here.
Yeah.
You understand me?
It's close from here.
Close.
See you. Thank you very much.
you so much.
Have a good day. Yeah. Bye.
Enjoy today.
So now we will take one more car. We will ask for more auto stop because these guys were going the other way. Guys, we have found one more. One more lift. Merhaba. We are so happy traveling for free. Two cars. And they will also leave us to some place near. Teşekkürler. They also gave us candies. They are so nice.
A few moments later.
They also brought
Because this one is
coffee for us.
yeah.
Yeah, look. They brought more coffees for us.
Oh yeah. Where we are going?
We are going to Dara. Yeah. Bye. Görüşürüz. Bye. Teşekkür ederim. Okay guys, we came so far. They left us in between the road because they have to go another way. And we are going to this place, Dara. It's really famous. Bye. And look around, there is no one on the way. So now we have to walk this way for like 8 kilometers. So this is the time to get one more lift.
A few moments later.
So merhaba. Adin is ne abhi? Mehmed Ali. So his name is Mehmed Ali. So we are in another car now, another auto stop, and we are so happy today.
We can play food also.
Yeah, there is a lot of food we can eat.
Oh my god, tomato. We can make salad.
Tomatoes, bread.
Oh my god.
This guy is taking us to his house. Wow.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he's calling again and again to his family. Maybe they will prepare something special for us. Oh my god. Guys, he has taken us to his house. Merhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, he will show us his village from here. Wow. Look guys, look. Amazing.
Burası barajdı.
Baraj.
Çok su geliyordu. Bu dereden su çekti. Oradan su çektiği için sular koyuldu.
Guys, look, we are going inside his house.
Oh, and this guy. Hi, merhaba.
It feels so good to be with the locals.
With the local, yeah. In this way, we.
He also has a big dog.
Wow.
His house. His own house.
What is the dog? What? The dog. Oh, it's so big.
Babam.
Yeah, this is his father. His father.
105.
105 years. Use Besh. Oh, mashallah.
Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Oh.
Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Ahmed. And Mahmoud.
Mahmoud Ali.
Mahmoud Ali. Nice. Memnoon Oldum. So sound. Look, this is like their living room, right? And I'm sure they have, from outside, they have a very good view. Wow, I like his house. You can even go outside there. Look. Wow. I feel like I'm in National Geographic making a documentary. Wow. Yeah, me too. He also gave us binocular so we can watch all the places in a nice way.
We are very lucky.
Oh, yes, to make Iran. And now we will eat food with them. This amazing food, homemade food. Wow. Finally, we spend a very good time with them, with their family. Thank you so much. Teşekkür ederim. Yeah, they are so nice. The guys are really cool, and this is their rooftop. They sleep here in the night, and look at this scenery behind. Wow, this is the best place to sleep in the night. So this is kind of their bed. This is kind of their bed. They sleep here. Look at their dog, so big. Oh.
She's the boss.
She's the boss. She take care of everything. Let's go. Okay, now we have come to this historical place. The name of this place is Zindan, and it's really incredible. Let me show you first. Then look, you can enter from here, and there is small space in it. It goes down. Look, it's so big, underground. Let's go down. I will show you more. Wow. Look, it's really huge. The height, and it's underground. Actually, in this place, in the old times, people used to store water. They used to store the water in this area, and then they used to give the water to the whole village. So you can see it's really high. And again, the name of this place is Zindan. Okay guys, now this is our next location. This is ancient city that was built by Romans. So we will explore this beautiful ancient place together now. So let's go. Here guys, this is like the old heritage. Look guys, these were some houses. Let's try to go inside. On this place there is one wedding couple. Just look at them. Mashallah. Wow, they are incredible. I love her dress. So they will do photo shoot at this place, I think. So now we are going inside this place. This is known as Graves Gallery. Inside here there are so many graves, and they have made a gallery. Even without going inside, outside you can see there are graves. Oh look guys, there are bones. Human bones. People. Yeah, these are human bones. Look, there are skulls over there. I can show you. Look, there are skulls. So people were buried here, and then after carving they made it like a gallery. Oh, it's scary, yeah? Be careful. Oh my god. There are bones down there. Bones, skull. Maybe tonight we are not going home alone. Some of our friends will come join us from here. Yeah, they will follow us from this place. and other people gave us lift, so we are going to another place now. Today we are traveling for free. This is our next destination. We came to this castle. It's known as Derul Zafral. Unfortunately, closes at 4 and now it's finally closed. So I will show you little from outside. They gave us lift to come here. We are doing auto stop. It's closed. But look, it's really big. It's really big. I would love to go inside, but unfortunately we cannot go because you know the time is over now. Okay, let's go to home. Teşekkür ederim abi. Görüşürüz. Apparently today now it's 7 p.m. and until now we just spent 5 lira whole day. We visited more than 3 places. Still the day is continual. We have small event in the evening and maybe we are invited for a dinner also. We feel so lucky.
Later that same evening.
Merhaba, hello. So this is our friend. He invited us for a dinner. Thank you very much. And look at this traditional way of sitting down and eating food. So this is his mom, brother, sister, and you know chicas.
For first time.
Woohoo! Okay, so they are celebrating henna here. We are celebrating henna here. Woohoo! Wow. Oh my god. Woohoo! Ole ole. They are also putting mehndi on my hands. This is my first time in my life I am getting kina on my hands.
You like the shit?
Yügen bir parça
The brain, I like
bir
this
parça
brain.
şey getir ona bağlayacağım. Dur. Ben bağlayacağım onu. Zaten sen benim benim
Lori looked like without hands. She looked like without hands.
It's so fun, buddy.
See you guys again.
Ole, oye, yeah. Very well, eh?
So guys, look, this is a graveyard. People died here. Look, this is new life and this is end of the life. Sorry guys, there is one mistake. Big mistake. This is his wife, not his mother. I was thinking that's his mother, but no, it's his wife.